So this is the 2016 Leave Insert Ordinary Level Paper 2, and we're looking at question number 3. Part A, the circle C has a centre 2, -3 and a radius of 4. Write down the equation of C. Well, from our tables book, we have the formula for the equation of a circle, and it looks like this: x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. And h and k are the centre, and r is the radius. So that's it from the tables book. Okay, so our centre is 2 minus 3, so that's going to be our h, and our k value, and our r value, the radius, will be 4. So we're going to substitute these into the equation. We're going to substitute the 2 in for the h, the 3 minus 3 in for the k, and then the 4 in for the r. So that's going to give us x minus 2 squared plus y minus 3 squared. Be careful there, the minus here is in the equation, and then k is a negative number, so minus 3, and that's equal to 4 squared. Okay, so when we tidy that up, it becomes x minus 2 squared plus y, minus and a minus together like that gives us a plus, y plus 3 squared equals 4 squared is 60. So there we go, that's the equation of the circle. Part B says draw the circle C on the grid opposite. Each unit on the coordinate grid is 1 centimetre. Okay, so if we're going to draw this, we'll mark our centre, which is 2 minus 3. That would be here. And if we're going to draw that, then we'll just get our compass. Point to the compass at the centre. And we're going to stretch this out to a radius of 4, so if it's on 2 there, we'll stretch it to 6. And then we draw a circle. So there's the circle. Okay, part C says verify using algebra that the point 3,1 is outside of C. Okay, so in that case we want to show that the left hand side of the equation is greater than the right hand side when you substitute that point in. So if we have the equation of the circle is x minus 2 squared plus y plus 3 squared equals 16. So we want to show that the left hand side, if it's outside the circle, the left hand side will be greater than the right hand side. If it was inside, the left hand side would be less than, and if the point was on the circle, the left hand side would be equal to the right hand side. So we need to show this. So we're going to sub 3 in for x, and we're going to sub 1 in for y in the equation. So that's going to give us 3 minus 2 squared plus 1 plus 3 squared. Okay, and that is equal to, when you put all of this in the calculator, that's equal to 17, and 17 is greater than 16, the right hand side. So that's the end of part C. Part D says find the area of the smallest four-sided figure that will fit around the circle C. Okay, so if we go back here, four-sided figure that would fit around C would be, the smallest one would be a square, and it would go around it like this. So it would basically be a square that is 8 centimeters across and 8 centimeters down. So it would be 8 by 8. So the area would be 8 times 8, which is 64 centimeters squared. And that's the end of question number 2.